नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedar, Kotari, visitors, viewers sitting with us in through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, and Kailasa TV, Enlighten app, Twitter. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I have a great news for all of you. After this great pause, settling down, I've decided to share all the gifts Paramashiva downloaded into this system to the whole world. I was clearly categorizing, organizing. Some of the great sciences, spiritual sciences, Paramashiva has downloaded into this system to be gifted to all of you, to the whole world. Now I have more clearly, elaborately organized it. Everything is pure and original, so everything is getting copyrighted also, so that in future when we share with the whole world, I may not monetize, but if it is copyrighted, the purity will be protected. People cannot steal the knowledge, and especially the murderers. See, stealing the knowledge and going also, I don't mind. All right, enjoy what is there. Anyhow, I am going to give freely to the whole world. But some of these murderers not just steal the knowledge and they try to kill, so that I will not be there to give it to others also. They can have monopoly over this whole knowledge, and no one will claim the ownership and copyright. To avoid this further assassination attempts, I have decided to copyright everything, so it is very beautifully, systematically presented and demonstrated, scientifically getting validated and copyrighted. I tell you, first and foremost, power manifestation sciences plus all the alchemy products necessary for power manifestation, like mandalas, yantras, aushadas, That's the first part. A clear map signs. The next, programming of Stavara, means the plants, silicon, all this can be programmed. Just by programming, you can create biological and conscious mutation. Understand? Plants cannot have psychological mutation. Their psychology has not grown to that level where they can have psychological mutation, but they can have biological and conscious. They have consciousness. Understand? Biological mutation and conscious mutation can happen into them. So, Stavara, programming of Stavara, raising their Kundalini Shakti, programming of Jangama, the lives in the water body. I have tested it on the animals living in the ocean. This whole science, and it works. Listen. Programming the conscious possibility into Stavara and Jangama. Many great other gifts, Astra Vidya, various enlightenment sciences of various sampradayas of Hinduism, especially this Kayakalpa Vidya, which I am going to share with you all, to the whole world. Somebody was asking me, why are you allowing all the abusers to come to the ashram freely and stay? Hey, come on. We are Hindus. We will live compassion. Compassion is our lifestyle. Hospitality is our lifestyle. You think now because people abuse me, I'm going to shut down my ashrams? No way. I have infrastructures only in India. All the infrastructures I'm opening. This Kayakalpa Yoga, the science of immortality, I'll be teaching freely, absolutely freely, 21 months for anybody who want to come in. You can come. You should have a valid visa for 21 months. You are free to come and stay and learn. Register for Kayakalpa Yoga. Listen carefully. You are not even going to be doing some casting and making some donation or money to Sangha or organization. No. You are just going to be completely enjoying yoga, meditation, Shiva Puja, Gauseva, and living enlightenment and achieving enlightenment. No public activity. You are going to be actually in Mano Unmana. neither having dialogue nor having monologue, completely connected to Paramashiva. 21 months Sangha is going to spend on your food, stay, education, books, and whatever other supports needed for you to get enlightened. Absolutely free. I will continue to open all my infrastructures in India. I have infrastructures only in India. I have ashrams only in India. All my Indian ashrams are open. I will open for more and more people to come and learn these vidyas, knowledge and sciences. Once there was a strong terrorist attack on one Hindu temple in India where many people died. The head of that organization is a great saint. He is well known to me and highly respecting me. I immediately connected with him, and he doesn't speak English fluently. So I connected to his secretary and expressed my feelings and expressed my solidarity and told them that I wanted to send my team, my sannyasis and brahmacharis to be of any use or any help. What is your plan? Are you going to shut down the temple and all that? He laughed and said, hey. Actually, he did not speak in English. The secretary translated and told me, tell him we are Hindus. Temple will be open for next puja. Not even next day, next puja. Temple will be open for next puja. Clean up and open the temple for next puja. And build more temples. Build more temples. I bow down to those great saints. We are Hindus. Hospitality and compassion is our lifestyle. I'll open all the infrastructures available with me in India to this great science of Kayakalpa Yoga, to teach this science. All these other sciences Paramashiva has downloaded into my. I'll make all of that available to you all through 2 satsangs every day. Understand? Morning in English, evening in Tamil. Now I decided morning major part I'll deliver in English and little bit the essence in Tamil. Evening major I may speak in Tamil and essence I'll speak in English also. So all can attend both the satsangs if you want. I'll go on be teaching all powerful cognition. Understand? As long as I am alive, I'll go on be giving. Because that is my lifestyle. Understand? Last 20 years of my public life, I am continuously giving. Some people were abusing me 15 years before. Still now they are abusing somebody else. Somebody who was abusing me 10 years before. Now they are abusing somebody else. But they are in the field of abusing. So the abusers will continue to do their job. I will continue to do my job. Understand? 20 years before, I started giving this science to enlightenment science to the whole world. Still, I am continuously giving. 20 years before, people who started abusing me, still they are abusing. Sometimes me, sometimes somebody else, but they are in their life. But I am continuing to contribute. So 10 years down the line, if you see, I will be inaugurating. Today we are inaugurating 10,009th Gurukul. 10,008 Gurukul is inaugurated yesterday. Today I am inaugurating 10,009th Gurukul. I will be doing my job. My job is contributing. My job is downloading more and more things from Kailasa as a gift from Paramashiva, receiving from Paramashiva and sharing with you all. I'll continue to do that job. So now I'll make it into morning and evening 2 sessions. We are trying to get better internet. So we can give more and more Kalpataru sessions, darshans, mandala process, everything. So understand, we are Hindus. Compassion is our lifestyle. We will go on be giving, giving, giving. I'll go on contribute to your life. Whoever wants to become more and more powerful, have more and more powers, come, morning satsang, attend, receive powerful cognitions, evening satsang, attend, receive powerful cognitions, manifest powers, enjoy life. I am here to make you powerful. I wanted to tell all my disciples and devotees, it is my responsibility to educate you. Never ever even read abusers' messages or abusive messages. Do not even read or listen Guru abuse, Sangha abuse, any abuse, negative material, allegations, mudslinging, accusations, abuses. Don't even listen or read. Don't allow them inside your system. Don't allow them to poison you. Understand? This multiple reasons. First thing, whenever you listen to me, powerful cognitions, I will be speaking inside your head when you are relaxed and free. Constantly, this will be going on in your head. You will manifest more and more powers. But if you read abusive materials, allegations, all the false accusations, all that will be going on in your head, constantly collapsing and destroying and putting you in powerlessness. Understand? How I know the science of making you powerful and manifest powers. The abusers know the science of making you powerless and spiritually killing you. Listen to this very carefully. Understand? Just one powerful cognition I give you, and that one powerful cognition goes inside and starts manifesting as powers. Same way, these abusers, negative people, when they put powerlessness, negativity, abuses into you, even if one powerless cognition, one abuse, one negativity gets stuck inside your system, can cut the whole spiritual umbilical cord, can kill you spiritually. Understand? Save yourself getting poisoned Do not allow spiritual death. Many times what we think, oh, I'll try drugs once, but I will not get addicted. I'll not go again and again. Let me see how it is. Understand that is the way people start and get addicted and destroy their life once for all. Get destroyed once for all. Same way, the negative ideas and abuses also, it is the abusers, they know the signs of putting you into negativity and destroying your spiritual growth and killing you spiritually. You see, if they dump 10,000 lies and accusations, false, 10,000 abusers, slowly what will happen? You may think, oh, all the 10,000 are not true. Maybe 10 is true. That's it. Gone. You are gone. That 10 is, that idea that 10 may be true is enough to completely destroy you and kill your spiritual umbilical cord connection with the Guru and spiritually destroy you. Understand? Not only don't believe the abuses on Guru and Sangha and Gurukul, do not even read them or do not even allow them inside you. Protect yourself spiritually. Let your ecosystem, the ecosystem around you, be completely spiritual and powerful. I tell you, I have brought amazing gifts for you from Kailasa. Paramashiva has sent too many wonderful things, powerful cognitions and powers. Every day, morning and evening, I'll come and sit with you guys. I'll share. Receive this, enjoy, enrich your life, manifest powers, live happily. That's all. Make your life more and more powerful and enjoy. Create a beautiful Kailasa ecosystem around you. That's it. Why waste time? Why waste time in reading these abuses? Internalizing them, then detoxing them becomes such big job. It takes sometimes even years to get rid of this. Because you already have so much of negativity inside you. You are waiting to get hurt. So if 10,000 abuses are told to you, something clicks with your pattern. That's it, over. That is the exact methodology the abusers are adopting, and don't fall for it. Protect yourself spiritually. Understand? Just like one powerful cognition I give can manifest as power in you, one powerless cognition, one abuse, one negativity, one guru abuse, or one abuse on Sangha can get into your system and destroy the whole thing. Understand? One pot full of milk can become poison just by one drop poison. So don't think, I have drank one pot full of milk and it's after all one pot full of milk here. How can that one drop poison become? No, that is the way things work. Don't allow even one powerless, one negative cognition, one abusive cognition, one guru abuse, or one sangha abuse, one gurukul abuse enter into your system. Understand? Anti-Hindu elements never want Hindus to teach the science to the next generation. To all my disciples, devotees, followers, I am available morning, and evening, radiating, sharing all the best, great gifts from Kailasa. So today's powerful cognition. Listen. Listen carefully. The vibrant presence of Paramashiva, called Parashakti. Understand? The vibrant presence of Paramashiva, called Parashakti, manifests as life in you. Listen carefully. The vibrant presence of Parashakti manifests as life in you. Vibrant presence of Paramashiva manifests in you as Parashakti, as your life, even beyond your SDHD, as long as you have simple integrity with your Guru. Listen carefully. This powerful cognition can manifest the life as you consciously visualize. Listen intensely. Paramashiva, his presence is Parashakti. Whatever you consciously visualize as Paramashiva can manifest as your life. Even if you have SDHD, self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial, will it manifest or not? As long as you have simple integrity with Guru, his initiation, the power of his initiation will make you manifest your conscious life you aspire for you. Understand? Never allow GDHD, Guru doubt, Guru hatred, Guru denial. If you don't allow Guru hatred, Guru denial, Guru doubt, Guru hatred, Guru denial, he will make you manifest what you want and kill all your self denial, self doubt, and self hatred. If you don't allow GDHD, Guru will clean up all your SDHD. Paramashiva manifests as Parashakti, your life. Paramashiva is your existence, Parashakti is your life. Paramashiva is the existence, Parashakti is the presence. Your existence manifests as your presence, as your life. Understand? As long as you have simple integrity with the Master, He makes sure your self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial, SDHD, does not have power over you, and your conscious visualization, Paramashiva, manifests as Parashakti, vibrant, enlightened life. Meditate on this. If you meditate on this powerful cognition, you can change any situation in your life. Meditate on this powerful cognition and change any situation in your life you want. You will just manifest and change. You'll just manifest and change. Try to do this. Understand? This is one of the most important Rajavidya. Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitram Idamuttamam. Royal knowledge and royal secret and most sacred among the sacred, Pavitram Idamuttamam. Understand? Simple integrity, simple feeling connection with the Guru goes on awakening your Kundalini Shakti and transforms your very DNA and raises the Kundalini Shakti. Listen carefully. More and more power goes on manifesting in your system with more and more powerful cognition. The amount of time you spent to build each powerful cognition is your tapas. Do not destroy it by allowing abusers, lies and abuses and mudslinging into your system. Don't allow people to kill you spiritually, destroy you spiritually. So get into deeper and deeper space. One of the important lesson, this lesson, all the Rajavidya Gurukul, Gurukulavasis should practice. Rajavidya Gurukul in Ichapuram Palace, Rajavidya Gurukul in Gujarat, all of you should practice. All the other Rajavidya Gurukuls also should practice. One more king has given a place in his palace for the one more Rajavidya Gurukul. Soon that will also be inaugurated. I will be announcing inauguration. See, Rajavidya Gurukuls are fundamentally like a Swiss Finnish school. How? In Switzerland, they have finishing school where the children of the presidents, prime ministers, kings, queens from different country come and learn all the etiquettes of being king and queen. The Rajavidya Gurukuls are fundamentally created like Institute Villa Perefiu in Switzerland, how the finishing schools are there. Same way, this will be the Hindu version of finishing school where all the sons and daughters of princes, sons and daughters of kings and queens and statesmen, presidents, prime ministers, their sons and daughters who are going to be the future kings and queens, the princess, prince, all of them will come and learn the power manifestation science of Hinduism, learn all the best things from Hinduism, go back and continue to enrich their country, their kingdom. I'll give you the elaborate, detailed sketch plan of this. Few Rajavidya Gurukuls already started functioning successfully, and it's going to be expanding. Few more kings have given place in their palace. Soon I will be announcing, maybe Navaratri we will be inaugurating 3 more Rajavidya Gurukuls, and maybe around 250 kids will be initiated into Krama Brahmacharya and Gurukulavasa. I'll announce the palaces where the few more Gurukuls are getting started. As on now, these Gurukuls are successfully happening. Ichapuram Palace, Surya Vamsa, Surangi Samrajya, Sarvanya Peetam. Ichapuram Palace, the Gurukul is functioning beautifully with the grace of Krur Nashini, the Jagannmata, Vanadurga Devi, Krur Nashini, the Kuladevata, and the Paramashiva's grace and whole Surya Vamsa's grace. With the blessings of Rajamata, the Gurukul is running well. Rajamata herself is personally supervising the Gurukul and supporting everything needed. It's happening beautifully. We will be expanding into more and more Rajavidya Gurukul. Rajamata Manjula Puja Shraf is personally getting interested and administrating the whole Gurukul, Rajavidya Gurukul. This Rajavidya I am teaching is recorded by Sri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita also. Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitram Idamuttamam. Royal knowledge and royal secret. Most sacred among the sacred. So now, sit and meditate on this powerful cognition. As long as you have simple integrity with Guru, no GDHD with Guru, Paramashiva will manifest his presence Parashakti as conscious life we want. Sit and meditate on this powerful cognition. Vibrate yourself with Mahavagya. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam. Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.